Hello my dear students. Right now I am going to explain to you the lesson present continuous. I am going to explain to you the form, when do we use it, and signal words for it, and the three forms of the present continuous. Which of the three forms, which are the affirmative, negative, and the interrogative. Okay? So the first one is the form of the present continuous. So look here. Look at the laser point. So for the present continuous, the form is verb to be plus verb plus ing. So this becomes what? He, she, it plus verb to be, which is plus verb plus ing. And for the first personal pronoun, I plus verb to be plus verb plus ing. And for the plural personal pronouns, we have they, we, and you plus verb to be plus I plus verb plus ing. So examples, we have I am reading a book. Okay? And we have he, she, it. Okay? Personal pronouns plus verb to be, which is plus the verb, which is verb to watch, plus the ing. So he, she, it is watching TV. And they, we, you are playing tennis. So this is what? This is the affirmative form. So these sentences are in the affirmative form. Now, here we have what? We have also, now I'm going to explain to you the negative form. So I, so which is personal pronoun, plus verb to be, plus not, plus verb, plus ing. So the difference between the affirmative and negative is not. So we add not. So the example is what? I am not reading a book. In the affirmative it is I am reading a book. And in the negative, I am not reading a book. And look in here. Just look at the two forms, the affirmative and negative, and you'll see the difference. So the difference is not. Now he, she, it isn't watching TV. Now here, he's watching TV. Here, he isn't watching TV. She isn't watching TV. And it isn't watching TV. For the plural, we have they, we, and you aren't playing tennis. Here, the affirmative. They are playing tennis. In here, they aren't playing tennis. As for the interrogative, so what are we going to do in the interrogative? We are going to invert the subject with the verb. So here we have I am, and in here we have I. So it's not the same. Not like here. I plus personal pronoun plus verb to be plus verb plus ing. It becomes here what? I am, which is verb to be, plus personal pronoun plus the verb plus the ing. So it becomes what? Am I reading a book? Okay? Not like I am reading a book. It is am I reading a book? Now for he, she, and it, we have is, verb to be, plus he, plus she, and it, plus the verb plus ing. And for the plural pronouns, we have verb to be, plus they, we, you, plus verb plus ing. So the example is what? Are they, or are you, or are we playing tennis? Okay, so these are the forms. I am going to show you a table in which all the forms are shown there. Now, for the uses of the present continuous. So we use the present continuous for things that are happening right now. So this instant, this moment, so we are, I am, so an example, right now I am explaining the lesson. Okay, right now I am explaining the present continuous. So this thing, it's happening right now, this instant. Okay, not yesterday, not tomorrow, it is right now. Or temporary actions, actions that are short, not long. Okay, temporary actions that are short, for example, the explanation of the lesson will take, for example, just 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So the action is short. It's not like 2 days or 2 weeks or 2 months. Okay? Now, or things that will change. Okay? They are not the same. Or describing a current action. It's right now. Okay, that's for the use, for the present continuous. Now for signals. Okay, how do we know that in a sentence that the present continuous is used? We know it because of the form. Okay, and we have some signal words. Okay, like what? Like at the moment, right now, and currently. So at the moment I am explaining the lesson. Right now I am explaining the lesson. Currently I am speaking English. Or we can use another signal words like look, your friend is talking. Listen, I am explaining. Okay, so these signal words, when you see them, you know that in the sentence you have the present continuous. But you have to remember that the present continuous can also be used for the future. How? For the future, we use it for things that we have made definite arrangements to do. An example: I am having dinner with my friend tonight. Okay, so I said this when? I said this in the morning, and tonight I am having dinner with my friend. Okay, it's in the evening. It's in the evening, not in the morning. Okay, so another example is I am playing football with my team this weekend. So I said this when? I said this on Monday, and the weekend is in the future. There are still 4 days to come to the weekend. So I am playing football with my team this weekend. So we use also the present continuous when we have made definite arrangement. Okay, definite planned. So we are sure about it. Okay. So again, I explained to you the form of the present continuous, uses for it, and signal words. Right now I'm going to show you a table in which we have all of the forms. Okay? Okay, my dear students. So now this is a table in which we have the verb to eat conjugated in the present continuous in all forms: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. And in the interrogative we have short answers. Okay, short answers. We have the affirmative and negative. So let's start with the affirmative form in the present continuous. So if we take the example of the verb to eat, we have full form: I am eating. Okay, so we have personal pronoun and we have verb to be plus verb to eat plus ing. Okay, you are eating, he, she, and it is eating, we, you, and they are eating. So this is the affirmative. Now, for the negative, what do we have? We have full form and we have short form, or its contractions. Contractions of what? Contractions of the verb to be. Okay, so we have I am not eating. We have here not eating. You are not eating. You aren't eating. So look here. This is the contraction. Okay? So look here. You are not. And in here, you aren't. Now, he is not. She is not. It is not eating. And here we have he, she, and it isn't eating. And in here, the full form we have we, you are not eating. And in here we have we, you, and they aren't eating. Okay, that's for the negative. For the interrogative, what do we have? I eating. So what do? We invert the subject with the verb. We have we invert the subject with the verb to be. So am I eating? Are you eating? Is he, is she, is it eating? Are we, are you, and are they eating? Okay, that's for the interrogative. Now for short answers of the interrogative. If we say, am I eating right now? So, I am not eating right now. So what do we say? No, I'm not. Okay, no, I'm not what? I'm not eating right now. So we say short answers. We don't say the full answer. We say short answers. No, I'm not. But if it's affirmative, if the answer is affirmative, what do we say? Yes, I am. Not yes, I am eating. We say just yes, I am. And look at the rest. We have yes, you are. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. Yes, we are. Yes, you are. And yes, they are. Is are affirmative, short answer. Not for negative short answers. We have no, I'm not. No, you are not. No, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, it isn't. No, we aren't. No, you aren't. No, they aren't. Okay? So let's recapitulate. We have in here the affirmative form of the verb to eat in the present continuous, and the negative form, and the interrogative form, and the short answers of the interrogative. Okay? So if you have any question or something that you didn't understand, you can leave it in a comment and I will answer it. Now, my dear students, I have here some exercises for the present continuous. So the question says what? Make the present continuous. So we have here 10 sentences. Okay? So if we have here what? She go home now. So if we put here the present continuous, what are we going to say? So it becomes what? She is going home now. So she, personal pronoun, plus the verb to be, which is in here, plus verb, which is go, plus ing. So she is going home now. In here, I read a great book. So in here, what are we going to say? I am reading a great book. Okay? Now she, here we have, so these sentences in here, they are affirmative. Okay? So they are in the affirmative form. Now in here we have the negative. She not wash her hair. So what are we going to say here? She is not washing her hair. Okay? Now, sentence number 4. We have the cat chase the mice. So look here. This is a question mark. So it shows what? Or it says what? It says that this sentence is going to be in the interrogative form. So what are we going to see here? The cat. So if we replace the cat with the personal pronoun, we are going to say it's. So it becomes what? Is the cat chasing mice? Okay? Now, look at sentence number 5. She cried. So it's also in the interrogative. Okay? So what are we going to say? Is she crying? Okay? Is verb to be plus she, which is personal pronoun, plus cry, which is the verb, plus ing. Is she crying? Now, he not study Latin. So this is in the negative also. So what are we going to say? He is verb to be. He is not study. This is the verb plus ing. So he is not studying Latin. Now look at sentence number 7. We have we drive to London. So it's also we have here question mark. So what are we going to say? Are we going to start with we or something else? So we are going to start with the verb to be. Are we driving to London? Okay, so are we driving to London? Now, they watch TV. So it's also in the interrogative. So what are we going to say? We start with the verb to be. Are they watching TV? And in here, we have, look at the sentence number 9. Where she go now? So what are we going to say here? We have the verb to be, so we have to start with the verb to be. So we're going to say, is, where, we are going to say, where is she, where, we start with where, is she going now? Where is she going now? Okay, look at sentence number 10. We have I not leave now. So what are we going to say? So we start with personal pronoun. I am not leaving now. So this sentence is in the negative form. Okay, so Again, if you have some questions or something this is not understood, you can leave it in the comment, and I will answer all of your questions. Okay, and